All right, so the Cutlass is finally back at the shop today. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I've been working on this interior for a long time. Basically, while I was working on the interior, the customer had an appointment to go get his top done, also to get the motor work done. So now it's finally started, but the interior was almost done. I just gotta finish it up. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take everything off, take everything apart so we can get the windows put in, lock everything down on my part. See, I should have took everything out before I left, but everything's pretty decent still. This little piece fell off, but that ain't much. The only thing I see, of course, that fell off, but I'm gonna tighten all that when I put it in there. A little moisture got in right here. A little moisture, door left open, but other than that, everything's still good. Yeah, I was trying the lights. I couldn't get them working either, but I thought I'd take everything apart. I'm gonna find out what's the issue, why the lights ain't coming on. So I'm gonna take everything apart right now, have this guy come do the windows, and after that, we can start putting it together. All right, next I'm gonna pull this console out. I remember it was a very complex process. I did the plexiglass with the LED lights, got the screws going perfect, got it to metal. So I'm gonna take off the handle first and I'm gonna go from there. So there we got a start bolt. Just in case y'all was wondering, I do got these little caps to go over and just go in by Christmas tree clips. So that'll cover everything up like that. This is Starlight carpet to go at the bottom. Look like it's still in good shape. Also still look like I got the plug intact. Let me see. Plug in right there, so that's still good. All right, so now we got the last panel. You know what? I think this one is good already because the window working. I don't need to take this one off. I already got the speaker and I'm gonna leave that one on for now. All right, so for now my job is done. See right there's no glass or no nothing in there. Put that one in there. I can do all my professional wires, clean everything up. Put the console in, put light switches in the console. Also, I'm gonna put the switches for the power windows. See where the power windows on all the windows. All right, y'all go ahead and like and subscribe so y'all don't miss the next one.